students, this is Archana Jangid and I am here to deliver the next lecture of cell cycle and cell division. In our previous video, we have discussed the factors which control the mitosis cell division, and in this video we have to study about some mitotic poisons. Clear? Some substances are there which behaves like poison during mitosis cell division. So here we are talking about mitotic poisons. In our last lecture, we had discussed about mitogens. Mitogens are the substances which have triggered or stimulates the mitosis cell division. And mitotic poisons are the substances which have inhibit the mitosis cell division. So these are the substances which inhibit or lower down the process of mitosis cell division. Clear? So these are the substances which inhibits the mitosis division. Here we are talking about these type of poisons. For example, the first poison for the cell which inhibit the mitosis cell division, that is azide or cyanide. The first chemical which is called as azide or cyanide. It arrests the mitosis cell division during prophase stage. Clear? So it arrests the division in प्रोफेज स्टेज. ठीक है, प्रोफेज में ही डिवीजन रुक जाता है तो आगे की स्टेजेस आती ही नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर जो साइनाइड है, इट स्टॉप्स द डिवीजन ड्यूरिंग प्रोफेज स्टेज. वन मोर केमिकल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोल्चिसीन. सेकेंड केमिकल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोल्चिसीन. It arrests the cell division, mitosis cell division during metaphase stage. We all know that metaphase is the stage at which the chromosomes are arranged at the equator. ठीक है, so the equatorial plates, the chromosomes are going to attach during the metaphase stage, and these gets arrested during this phase by the activity of colchicine chemical. This colchicine stops the formation of spindle fibers. It stops the formation of spindle fibers. And if the spindle fibers are not formed, then the chromosome does not get separated. ठीक है, हमने स्ट्रक्चर देखा है. इस तरह से हमारे पास क्रोमोसोम है. दिस इज द क्रोमोसोम and it is divided into the two arms during the S phase, and spindle fibers tie up the chromosomes from this centromere part, and this will split up from this point. क्लियर? तो सेंट्रोमियर वाले पॉइंट से क्रोमोसोम्स क्या होते हैं, स्प्लिट अप होते हैं और दोनों सेल्स में क्रोमोसोम्स जाते हैं हमारे पास. बट इन केस ऑफ दिस कंडीशन, when the colchicine is there, then splitting of chromosome does not take place and the cell is having double number of chromosomes. That is 2n condition should be there, but in case of this the 4n condition should be there. This will leads to the polyploidy. Now this can be useful in case of plant cells. So this will lead to the polyploidy. क्लियर? पॉलीप्लॉइडी ये लीड करेगा. देन इसके बाद हमें देखना है, दिस कॉल्चिसीन इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम अ प्लांट. द नेम ऑफ द प्लांट इज कोल्चिकम ऑटमनेल. from this plant the colchicine is obtained. Which part of the plant is used to obtain colchicine? That is corm of the plant. What is corm? It is a type of underground stain. This is underground stain. So the corm of the plant is used to obtain colchicine, and it is useful in case of developing polyploidy in case of developing polyploid cells. This is the mitotic poison. It will arrest the cell division during the metaphase stage. Some other mitotic poisons are carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is also a chemical which arrests the cell division. So it also behaves as mitotic poison. This carbon monoxide indirectly arrests the cell division because this carbon monoxide will stop the Krebs cycle. We all know that Krebs cycle is the cycle during cellular respiration in which the ATP synthesis is taking place. So here the Krebs cycle is going to arrested and ATP synthesis will stops. That's why the mitosis cell division also gets stops, because during mitosis cell division the energy is required in the form of ATP. So this carbon monoxide affect the cell division or arrest the cell division indirectly during Krebs cycle. One more thing, that is mustard gas. Mustard gas is also there, which is responsible for arresting the mitosis cell division. So these are some chemicals which acts like mitotic poison. Now one important thing, that is called as cancer. Cancer is a disease. We all know that cancer is a disease. About this disease we will discuss later in the chapter of diseases. Here only short introduction is there. What is cancer? Cancer is the uncontrolled, this is uncontrolled cell division. ठीक है, mitotic poisons हम कह रहे हैं, mitotic poisons are the substances which stops the cell division. Here in case of cancer the cells are going to divide in uncontrolled manner. So that condition is called as cancers. There are some important type of chemicals are there which stimulates the cells for dividing in uncontrolling manner. These substances are called as carcinogens. Carcinogens means the cancer causing substances. These carcinogens stimulates the cancer causing genes, that is oncogenes. So this stimulates the oncogenes for causing cancer. There are some chemicals, for example benzpyrene, that is benzpyrene is the chemical which is basically present in the tobacco. This benzpyrene is stimulating, it acts as a carcinogen and it stimulates the oncogenes for the cell division in uncontrolled manner. This will causes the lung cancer. One more chemical, that is called as vinyl chloride. This vinyl chloride leads to the liver cancer. Here vinyl chloride leads to the liver cancer. One more thing, that is alpha toxins. Aflatoxins, not alpha toxins. They are aflatoxins. These aflatoxins are also caused liver cancer. There are so many type of carcinogenic substances are there which leads to the cancer. This aflatoxin is obtained from a fungus that is named as Aspergillus. So it is obtained from aspergillus, which is a fungus. Clear? And it causes liver cancer. So this is the cancer which is the uncontrolled cell division. About this disease we will discuss detail in the chapter of diseases and its control. Clear? So this is all about the mitotic poison and the uncontrolled cell division. Here the mitosis cell division has been completed. Now mitosis cell division का पूरा जितना भी processes थी, जितने भी phases थे, then mitotic poison, cancer, and the factors that controlling the mitosis cell division, types of mitosis, all we have discussed. And in our next video we will discuss about the one and very important cell division that is called as meiosis cell division, how it is different from mitosis. We will discuss these all in our next videos. Thank you very much.